The husband of this woman left a camera in her house to find out what she was doing in his absence, and what he discovered left him in shock. This story happened to a couple named Dave and Lisa. The couple's life was going very well. They worked together, so they were always very close, until the company where they both worked changed their working hours, and each started working in a different team. From then on, their relationship began to cool down considerably, but only on Lisa's side. She began to become colder, drear, and less patient with Dave.